Hey guys, what's up? It's Natalia. Today I am gonna be making clear Floam bead slime. So let's get started. So first you need a gallon of clear glue, saline solution, baking soda, plus you add the water in there, and Floam beads, and some paint or some food coloring. So let's get started. So first thing you want to add is some clear glue. So next thing you're gonna add is your baking soda, and you're gonna put it in your water. Add a little teensy bit. Okay, so just add it in there. So then now you're gonna mix. Don't add too much. Hold on, I'm gonna add a little bit more water, guys. Okay, good. So now I'm just gonna add it in here. I'm just gonna mix it up. Till it's pretty clear, guys. And now you're gonna take your water and add it here slowly. Oops, I accidentally put a bunch. So I need my spoon. Hold on. So I need my spoon. I was just watching it. So now you're gonna mix. I accidentally add too much water, but that's okay. It's supposed to be really slowly and carefully, because the air bubbles are gonna come up when you add the baking soda. That's pretty clear, so ooh. So I'm gonna mix it up. Now some air bubbles are gonna come, and so yeah. So next thing you wanna add is some paint, and I'm gonna get to choose some of this paint. I'm gonna use this light color. Pretty clear. So next you add it really slowly, the contact solution. Really little, add little bits at a time. And now you can mix. Add contact solution, and now mix. have a little bit left, but that's okay. Well, you can see by the title, it's coming together. I ran out of my contact solution. But now I'm gonna mix. Now I'm gonna just add some more baking soda to make it a little bit harder, and yeah, so. So just add some baking soda so it can make it a little bit harder, because now I just ran out of saline solution. So guys, so it's finally done with the slime. Even though I ran out of contact solution. It's okay though, but I have other ones too. So next and final, it's time so we're just gonna play with the slime. But next, it's time to add some slime balls, Floam beads. So now we're just gonna open it and open it up. And now let's put it right here. Oops, I'm getting a bunch of foam beads, but And we better put the foam beads back in here because it's oops. Well, because I spilled a bunch of them out. Yeah. I need to get the back of this because it's really neat to get the foam beads, actually. Okay. I actually got the foam beads. It's pretty good, huh? Hold on, guys. Wait, but oops, oopsie. All the foam beads fell out. Okay, guys, so this is the finished product of this slime. Hope you guys enjoy my skit today. on Italia's incredible life, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Stay incredible. Whoosh.